In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to create a stunning website using AI, specifically with Bolt.new. This tool makes the entire process incredibly simple. You don't need to be a designer or a developer to get professional results. First, open your browser and go to Bolt.new. The great thing about this platform is that it's designed to remove all the complexity from website building. As soon as you're in, you'll notice a clean interface where the AI guides you through everything. The first step is to tell the AI what kind of a website you want. It could be a portfolio, a landing page for your business, or even a personal blog. Just type in a simple description, and the AI will instantly generate a complete layout based on your request. Once the AI creates the draft, you'll see a full web page already built with text, images, and structure in place. From here, you can customize anything you want. Change colors, adjust the fonts, or replace the images. Everything is editable with just a few clicks, and the updates happen instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Most people who watch our videos aren't subscribed yet, and by subscribing, you'll support us in creating more high-quality content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.